They do take advantage of their power, but they also do favors for some people. However, they only do the kind of work that will get them votes. Most people fall into this category. And then there's a special category. When more people start falling into that category, when that happens, the country rises. That is when politics becomes an act of worship. The greatest leader in the world, our prophet, peace be upon him, showed us this path. His rule, his authority was solely and entirely for the betterment of the people. He completely removed his own self-interest from the equation. So as in the beginning, they were extremely poor. In the state of Medina, the Ummah was in the situation was very bad. But as money started coming in, they spent all that wealth on the people. They spent it to uplift the lower classes. For the weak, the disabled, the widows, the orphans, they established the world's first welfare state. And they never built any palaces for themselves. They lived in the same masjid in Nabawi where they had stayed from the very first day they arrived in Medina. They led a life of simplicity. To this day, we are ready to give our lives for them. To this day, we love them so much. They reside in our hearts. Throughout their life, they showed the world that when you are given power, it comes with immense responsibility. And every person in the same way. When Hazrat Umar became the Caliph, he said that if even a dog dies of hunger in my state, I am responsible. This means that those who are poor, those who are suffering, it is a tremendous responsibility for any leader who comes into power.